Good morning, guys, and it's snowing. Okay, well, we saw the remote control Hummer, and she came for the remote. So that's what that was. That's who that truck was also. So it's nothing scary anymore. So the rest of my presents are in my room. I haven't taken a shower yet either, so my mom made a mess on my bed. Okay, so where should we start? My uncle's girlfriend is from Malta. It's in the Caribbean, I think. No, Mediterranean. And they got me a polo, and it's got the cross, and it's really nice. It's a nice deep blue, and then it's got the plaid on the inside. So I'll be wearing that. And then I got 3 pairs of boxers. And then my uncle got me this backpack, and it's got the from 1948 London Olympics, so it's vintage. It's really nice. It feels really sturdy. But I'm not going to school anymore, so I don't know what I'll use it for. But I'm sure I'll be able to put like stuff in it when I'm traveling and bringing all my school work to the pool. So that'll what that'll be used for. So, and then my sister got me this Adidas clone, as the British say. It's called it's Team 5 Adidas clone. It smells. Sorry. That's a weird angle. It smells really good. Smell it. Smell it. Okay. Yeah, it smells really good. Put it on after my shower, but it smells really nice. The last time I had cologne, my mom got it for me. It was Adidas Ice Dive cologne, which I think is the brand of Tom Daly, because he makes like body gel, deodorant, body spray, and it's all called Ice Dive. So that's really cool. And then my uncle got me this Dunhill. Oh, it's on the other side. Wait, what? What's going on? Yeah, Dunhill cologne, and this one smells like just smells really fresh and good. Like, can you smell it? Can you smell it? Okay, good. I'm glad you could smell it, because it smells really good. I'm glad you could share the smell with me. So I'm putting those there, and I'm taking them with me. And then my aunt got me this super nice shampoo, because I need shampoo because my hair dyes every time I get in the chlorinated water. So that was my Christmas haul. That was good Christmas. Oh, and I got this Muscle Cars calendar. So that's really cool. January is a Corvette. Not my favorite car, but it's a cool looking car. So I'm really happy with all the gifts I got. I'm really thankful. They were all super nice. And that was awesome. It was an awesome night. Yeah, so now I'm going to, I got me this, cribbage board. And we actually just played a game of cribbage, and I won. So that was fun. And she got me these super nice canvas playing cards to go with it. So that was really awesome. So I think we're going to play more of it, actually, during lunch. And I'll film it, and you guys will see us get pretty competitive. Because, I don't know if you knew this, but we're a competitive family. And it's super snowy outside. And that's fun, not fun. I know it's not fun for them to drive in, but we shouldn't be going anywhere today. I might have to go to diving, though, so we'll see. We'll see what goes on. But I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm done showering and all that good stuff. So, I'll see you guys later. So right now, oh, it's blurry. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Blurry. Blurry. Focus. Blurry Andrew and I, we are doing the snow shoveling. It's not very fun right now. How are you doing, Andy? Woohoo! You like the snow?
Yeah.
I don't.
That's because you don't have the right shoes on.
It's true. I don't have the right shoes on. I'm wearing Vans.
Deck shoes, dude. That's a sailing.
That's true. Sailing and skating. But I'm wearing my snowboarding coat, so that's good. It's snowing pretty heavily. And we're gonna play a board game soon and make pierogi with some Polish friends. So this should be good. Should be a fun day. But it's snowing, and that's not the most fun thing in the world. I don't know if you guys can see the snow falling. Maybe. Hold on. It's snowing pretty bad. It's falling pretty fast. Like there, you can kind of see it if you look at Andy.
What are you looking at?
The snow. Alright, see you guys. Okay guys, so we're having some Polish friends over, and this is what's going on. We also made pierogi. Hi Dad.
Hello.
Say hello.
I didn't just eat a raspberry.
So we made our pierogi. It's berries and ricotta. So that's pretty cool. We made them. And now Alex is dancing with Ziggy. And we're just hanging out.
Oh, that's so funny. I mean,
Say hi, Nina.
I will dance with you. It's his vlog.
Boom! Clap! Subscribe down below.